Hello and welcome to the final video in the series. In this video we will install the app and verify the events in the dashboard as well as in the Android Studio using Logcat. So first what we need to do is we need to make a list of what are all the events that we have added. So I will open up my level blueprint. It's open the next monitor. So we have init from Unreal. Let's make a note of this. Init from Unreal. This is a log that we are adding. Line 208 in the android underscore upl.xml file. The next is Unreal Engine underscore app startup. This is the event that we are raising. We are also raising an event with Unreal Engine underscore. This is the prefix, and the event we have added it in the widget blueprint. Let's open that. Controls, let's go to the graph and button clicked. So the second event name will be Unreal Engine underscore button clicked. Let's just categorize this over here. So this is a log. These are the events. Okay, now that we have done this, let's move on. I will go to the APK folder and look at the command file. All I need to do is double click this file and it will install the APK through ADB. I need to make sure my phone is plugged in. Once I do that, I will execute the command. Give me a few seconds. Okay, just to double sure, I will check if the phone is connected. ADB devices, and it shows my Android device is connected. And I can just double click, it will execute all of the commands in that command file. So in an ideal scenario, if all the permissions are correct, it will install the APK file and as well as the OBB file. However, in this scenario, it only installed the APK and was not able to copy over the OBB file. So we will do that process manually. So if you have not added a OBB file before, all you need to do is start your application once. Once it has loaded, it will complain about OBB file not able to download or not able to found, and it will create a folder, and it will create a folder in the android/obb folder, and that folder will have the package name. I'm opening the Android Studio. In the meantime, we need to use this to basically check the logs, and I also need the package name to make sure that we have the correct package name. And as I described a few seconds before, you need to start it once and it will complain that OBB file is not found. This was the runtime permission. Now I will go into storage. This is the wrong directory. I need to open it again. Give me a few seconds. I need to reconnect my phone, and it's complaining. Apologize for that. Yep. So com.sample.clevertap, was the package name. It is created in the android/obb folder. I will just copy paste my obb file, and once that is done, I can close this, and now I can run my app again. So as soon as I run my app, all of the processing will happen, different logs will happen, and I will get into the main level, which was the boot level. Now I can check for the logs. The first one was init from Unreal. Let's search for it, and yes, for sure, initialize Clevertap. Init from Unreal has presented. It says Clevertap API instance. Also, it has found. Let's search for specifically for the logs from the Clevertap SDK. This will have the Clevertap uh, tags. So SDK version, it has identified. Let's go up if we have something else over there. No. Let's try to scroll down. Okay. We can see that some services, it says it is present, some are not. Let's come down further. Let's try to search with Clevertap. Okay. Initialized. So here it says SDK is initialized with the account ID, account token, account region. Let's search for the events that we have raised, and for sure we can see that the event was queued, and the additional parameters that are being sent from the SDK. Now we want to see the button clicked while we were scrolling on the side. Okay, so I just tapped it. So button clicked event is also sent and queued, sending queue to the dashboard. So we have verified in the logs that the events are being sent both with the button click and as well as the events that we were sending, the bluefit function. In the dashboard, let's search for events. Let's all users last 30 days, and I want to see app startup button click and event raise. And it says it has found two events between 19 June 2023, which is today. If I click on view details, it will show me that these two are from mobile, from two different users, because I have tested it previously and then again just now. Let's go back. Let's see some another event, and for sure we have the button clicked event as well. Clevertap is a robust tool, so please do take your time to delve into the additional features and capabilities to realize its true potential. Thank you again for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, happy developing. One last thing I forgot to mention about my Patreon account. I will be uploading all of the project files and some more videos to the Patreon account. Check that out as well, and feel free to comment and share and reach out to me for any queries. See you soon.